Hi, I'm Crystal, and this year I'm participating in Junk Journal July.
This is an open collaboration that is co-hosted by Meg Journals and Get Messy Art, and I use their free printable to decorate my cover, and I will link that in the description box below. So the free printable also has the prompt list, and I built my book using packing paper. I made a strip 6 inches wide and 18 feet long and folded that into an accordion pleat book. And so once I get to the end of the book, I can just turn it over and start going the other way to use the back of the pages. So I think that's going to give me plenty of pages to do all the prompts, and I'm really looking forward to this year's Junk Journal July. So the very first prompt is spark, and for my first page I did a napkin decoupage on the base page with some die cutting of a piece of the same napkin decoupaged on white cardstock, and then I just laid it on the page in the exact same spot as if I had done both of them together. And I cut the letters out either from pink paper, or for the word spark I used some leftover wrapping paper in glittery gold. So this is the theme for me for Junk Journal July. I am coming up on my last day of work in the spring of 2025, and I'm excited about it, but I am feeling some trepidation. I checked, and the very last time that I didn't go to work for 11 straight days, 11 straight business days, was 1990. So it has been a very long time since I have not been working. And I need to make some concrete plans. I told my husband otherwise I would be in his face on day one telling him to clean out the garage at 6:30 in the morning. And we don't want that. So I hope you'll join me on this journey, and I thank you for joining me today. Bye.